Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to customize sales invoices on QuickBooks Online. This is essential for maintaining brand consistency and ensuring your invoices look professional when they reach your clients. Let's get straight into it. First, navigate to the settings menu by clicking the gear icon in the upper right corner of QuickBooks Online. This is your control center for all customization options. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Custom Form Styles. This section houses all your invoice templates and allows you to modify them to suit your business needs. Now you'll see a list of existing invoice templates. You can either choose one of these to edit or create a fresh template from scratch by clicking New Style and selecting Invoice. Either option works perfectly depending on whether you want to build on an existing design or start with a clean slate. Once you're in the template editor, head over to the Design tab. This is where the visual magic happens. Click on Make Logo Edits, then toggle Show Logo to display your existing logo on the invoice. Your logo is a key branding element, so getting this right matters. Take a moment to adjust the logo placement and size to ensure it fits naturally within the invoice layout. Use the preview feature to check how it looks before committing to the changes. While you're still in the Design tab, customize the colors and fonts to match your brand identity. Consistent branding across all touchpoints builds trust with clients, so align these elements with your website, marketing materials, and other business documents. Next, switch to the Content tab. Here you can add or rearrange invoice fields to include exactly what you need. This includes custom fields, payment terms, notes to customers, and any other information relevant to your business operations. Tailoring these fields ensures your invoices communicate clearly and contain all necessary details. Before finalizing everything, click Preview PDF to see your invoice with all the customizations applied. This gives you a real-world view of what your clients will receive, allowing you to catch any layout issues or missing information. Once you're satisfied with the design and content, click Done to save your customized invoice template. Now, whenever you create and send invoices, simply select this template to ensure your logo and design appear consistently on all your sales forms. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.